Yeah, hello everyone. I'm going to be showing you how to administer your user privileges on this site. So, for example, I'm going to be showing you as a faculty chairman how you can check proposals or dissertation, how you can assign reviewers or assessors to them, how you can assess and see all proposals or dissertations submitted into your own faculty. So now when you get to this place, this is the front page where everybody sees sorry. So as a faculty chairman, you click on this icon that is here that says faculty chairman. When you click on it, it's going to take you to a place where you log in for yourself. You can see faculty chairman login. You have email and then you have password. This, you can see there's no place for register because as a faculty chairman, the super administrator is supposed to create a username and a password for you. You cannot come here and register, and this is for security reasons. So a username and password will be created for you and your faculty will be selected. So your registration is always done by the super administrator, which could be the SG of the West African College of Surgeons. So I'm going to be using a username and password that I've already created, which is a demo username and password. Okay, so this is it. This is the username, this is the password. So if you log in, now look at it. Good. It's showing me this because I've already created that username and password, and when I was logging in for the first time, nothing was showing on my profile here, and it's gonna prompt me to update my profile, which I did. Then that was why I was able to see some things on my profile here. It's because I have updated my profile before. Now you can see my details as the head of faculty. First name, middle name, head faculty. These are just dummy text. Last name, oh sorry about this, Adetunji. Then phone, these are faculty name, subspecialty, age, male, university, institution. Then you can edit your profile here as a faculty chairman. When you edit anything, you just click on update. For example, dental surgery. Let me say I don't know. Let me just select this and click on update. Okay, now your profile has been updated. Look at it. Pediatric surgery. The changes I just made now has been updated, so you can update your profile here. So now let's quickly look at the menus. Profile, this is where you are right now. Change password. You can change your password. When your username and password has been created for you by the super administrator, when you're coming in for the first time, after you might have logged in and created a profile, you can click here to change your password. It's just a simple thing. You enter the new password, and you confirm the new password here also. Now look at this place, which is the proposal. This is where we have all the proposals that have been submitted and paid for your faculty. This is faculty of dental surgery. Now it's just a demo, and we assume that this is the only proposal that has been submitted and has been paid for. One thing is this: when a candidate submits a proposal to your faculty, only proposals that have been paid for will show to you, so that you won't just be reviewing a proposal or that has not been paid for. That is why we did it that way. So we assume that this is just the only proposal that have been paid for in this faculty. Now let me go ahead also. We have assessors. In this section is where you invite assessors to this platform. Also, assessors, they don't register on the platform by themselves. As a faculty head, you are the one that will invite them to register. Then when you also invite them, you enable them. You can decide to delete an assessor. You can decide to disable an assessor. When you disable an assessor, or he will not be able to have to log in to his own account again. You can delete an assessor. When you delete an assessor, he will not be able to log in at all. That means you've deleted his email, his username and password from the portal. So that's where this section. Now look at it now. Assessors, all assessors. This one is showing you the list of all the assessors. Now if you look at it, you will see that some assessors have first name, middle name, last name, while some don't have. The reason is that these ones that have first name, middle name, and last name have been invited. That means you've created an account for them, and it has been sent to them, and then they've logged in and they've entered their profile. That is why we can see this. Now the same thing with this, the same thing with this. Now look at this, number 4, number 5, number 6. These assessors have not logged in to create their profile, to update their profile. That's why nothing is showing here. So these assessors, they will only be able to log in, and until they update their profile, nothing shows here. That is that. Now look at this, invite an assessor. Invite assessor. This is the section where you invite an assessor. You invite an assessor by just clicking on the mail, sorry, by just entering their mail here. When you invite an assessor, when you type the mail here, it's going to be registered on the server. Then an automated email is going to be sent to them in the address of the West African College of Surgeons, and they will be able to open the mail, then click on a link where they will set up their password and the rest. So let's just, okay, maybe I should quickly do that right now. Is okay, let's go to instructions to faculty head, which is this. This is the page where you'll be seeing this video right now. Instructions to faculty head, then you can log out from here. Okay, so now let's quickly invite an assessor. I'm going to invite an assessor whose mail is not existing here before. I don't know. Okay, let me just say ABC. Let me say Clement Crownrise at gmail at yahoo.com, and you click on send invitation. You see invitation sent. Immediately this assessor would have received a mail, and then in the mail there will be a link. There will be a link that that points to the section where this assessor would log in. Now let's start afresh. Now let's go into what we are here to do. Now look at it. Like I said, this is the only proposal that has been submitted and paid for in this faculty. Now to access the content of this proposal, you can click here to view. You can click here also to view. Okay, let's quickly check here. See, this is the result of the plagiarism test. The status, immediately it's a proposal is submitted. The status is under review. Look at the date it's submitted. This is the date and the time. So now let's look at the proposal. Just let's click here. When you click on the title or here, it's going to open the detailed section of the proposal. Now look at it. We have the proposal title, which is this. This is just a demo title. We have the proposal document, which is the document that the candidate uploads. If you want to download this now, which you need, just click on it based on this instruction. You click on it, it's downloaded. Look at it. This is it here. Just finished downloading. Now that is the proposal of the proposal document of the candidate. Just click on it to view it, and then you attach it back when you're done. See the proposal ID. Every submitted proposal has an ID, and that's what this is for. Is for reference purpose. Date submitted, we have it here. Supervisor, this is the details, part of the details the candidates fill when they are submitting a proposal or dissertation. See the trainee's full name here, trainee's institution, which is this, or faculty, which is this, subspecialty, which is this. So that is the trainee's details. Now look at it. This is where, as a head of faculty or faculty chairman, this is where your job starts. Now look at it. Select assessors below. There are spaces, there are provisions for up to 4 assessors for a proposal. There are provision of up to 4 assessors for a proposal. And then look at this. I have this proposal, this and this. 1, 2, 3 assessors. The same thing here, the same thing here, the same thing here. Now look at it, only 3 assessors are showing here, and there's a reason for that, which I'm going to show you right now. You can have more assessors showing here. You can have 20, you can have 10 showing here, but the number of assessors that will show here is dependent on this location. Now let's go to the assessors section. See, look at it. There are 3 assessors. These first 3 assessors are the ones showing there, and they've been enabled. This one is also enabled, and that's why they are showing here there. So that means before you can assign an article or a proposal to an assessor, you must first enable that assessor. Now you remember we have just 3 now, so let's enable this user right now. Look at this user. Current status is disabled. Action. Okay, let's enable here now. Tell you, are you sure? Click OK, which means yes. Immediately we'll do that. See, this user has also now been enabled. So we have 4 assessors enabled. This new user being the new enabled user. So as user has been enabled. Now if you now come to your proposals, if you now come here now, you can see now that new user that new assessor that we just approved, that we just enabled, is now shown here, so we can assign an article to him or her. Now look at it now. If I want to assign an article to this reviewer or assessor, what I need to do is just click on the assessor's email address, then click on add assessor. That means this assessor, when he logs in, he will be able to see this particular proposal and then do some basic things, as in do the assessing assignment on it. So let me do that now. See, select assessor. Let me select this new one. We just look at it now. It's saying no assessor assigned yet. No assessor assigned yet. One thing is, when you select an assessor here right now, you click on add assessor. Once you click on assessor, you can see reviewer added. Sorry, it should be reviewer or assessor added. That's going to be changed. Now look at it. Now it's now showing automatically the assessor that was added, so that you won't mistakenly add another assessor in this first section again. If you want to add another assessor, you can do that here. You can say you can add this assessor, and you click on this also. You can see added. So now for the first 2, I have 2 assessors, but it depends on you. You can decide to assign 1 assessor first. Then when you get a report from that assessor, you add a second. When you get a report from the second, you add a third. When you get a report from the third, you can add a fourth. It depends on you how you want to do it. Now, so that is that. Now moving forward, let's look at other section. Now look at this proposal status. This is the section where if a proposal has undergone review, and then the first assessor, second assessor, and they've approved the proposal, this is where you select approved. If the proposal has been disapproved or rejected, this is where you select, but by default is under review. So that's what. So this option is for the last section in the process of assessing a proposal. Is the final details, as in the final update, if a proposal has been accepted or not. Now look at these attachments. These are the attachments, attached by the candidates. You can see a ledger version by clicking on it. This is the declaration page. These are just telling. This is the attestation page. This is the certification page. These are scanned documents that the candidate would have uploaded while submitting this proposal. This is the acknowledgement page. You can see it's also a test ethical approval page. There's also this. Now look at the other attachments: appendix, charts, pictures, etc. Look at it. If a document uploads any, it also shows here. It shows here. This is another one. This is another. So these are the documents uploaded by the candidate. Now look at it. Type message to trainee here. Type message to trainee here. Very compulsory. So in case you've gone through the documents, this particular proposal document, in case you've gone through it and you you've made your review, you've assessed it, then you want to pass a particular information to the candidate, then you can do that here as a faculty chairman. So you can do that here as a faculty chairman. This is a faculty chairman message to the candidate. You can say, dear candidate, you made an error in your chapter 2. Please correct and revert. This is just a demo message. I don't know what you want to type, what information you want to pass to the candidate. Then immediately you type this, then you upload back the proposal file. I assume this is the proposal file. You upload back the proposal file, which is in Word documents. Okay, let me even upload back this. Where is it downloaded? It's downloaded in this Angular. Okay, let me upload it back. Desktop, and go to the folder where it's downloaded. Development Angular 2. Okay. Okay, and then okay, this is the document. See, it has been attached back. Just attach back. Assuming I've made changes on it, now I want to send it back to the candidate. I say post comment. So this is where you post. This is how you send information back to candidacy. Comments successfully submitted. Now what you typed now, look at it. Okay, now look at it. Dear candidates, you made an error in chapter 2. Please correct and reverse. This is the document for the candidates to download again and look at it. Look at it, the date and the time here. Look at this message. It's showing the document again here. So now that you've done this, there's a button here that says send to trainee. Click on it. Send this particular message to trainee. See now, see, this message has been sent to the trainee. So this has been sent to the trainee. So that's how you send information to trainee for update or changes. The same thing when a reviewer makes comments on this platform. When a reviewer makes comments, what you just need to do is click on a button to send the message to the candidate. Then the candidate will see the updates. You will see the information from the assessor. So that's how the process goes, in the process of updating, in the process of reviewing or assessing a proposal. Let me also show you. We have shown you how to invite an assessor. Here you have a list of assessors. Here you have a proposal. There is a proposal we are working on. And it's just as simple as that. Remember, like I said, after you might have assigned this to an assessor, that is when the assessor, this particular assessor, will be able to, do some work on this. And anything the assessor types, you also see here. See message from Dr. So. The name of the assessor is going to be showing here. Name of the assessor is going to be showing here, and then you'll be able to look at the content, and you can click on the button that says send to trainee, and is when the assessor makes a comment. So this is just how the process works. In case you need more information, a document is also attached to this video, where it also shows you the same thing. If you decide to go through, if you want to go through the documents and not the video. So thank you for watching. If you have any issue, please just let us know by sending an email to clement@doublehtechnologies.com.ng, or you call 080 0595019. Thank you very much.